Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another money making app whereby you can make money playing different games. So before we get started, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. So this money app that I'm going to share with you today, it's an app similar to Adfly and Moneywell. So this app is gonna pay you to play different games. What I like the most about this app, it consists of the games that we usually play each and every day in our daily lives. Unlike the other apps or other games, this game will reward you for doing so. So for playing games on this app, you'll be get rewarded or get paid, guys. You will not be playing for high scores or for points that are not going to be exchanged for real money or PayPal cards. This app is gonna pay you in real cash via PayPal, or you can choose your favorite payment option, guys. There are a lot of payment options here on this app. So guys, here's what you need to do in order for you to download this app into your mobile device or your smartphone. You can click the link in the description down below, or you can go to Google Play Store and click in the search bar and search Cash Giraffe. Right, here's how the app looks like. Then after that, guys, you can click on it, and then as you can see here, guys, it has over 4.3 star rating out of 5, guys, and over 200,000 reviews, guys. It has over plus 5 million reviews, of which many people are loving this app. So here's what you need to do here. Click install. After clicking install, guys, wait for it to download. Now as you can see that my app has finished downloading here on my Android device. Unfortunately, this app is not available for iOS devices, guys. Click open. Wait for it to load, guys. Then you will need to allow this app into your device. Click allow. So guys, after allowing this app into your device, you'll be required to sign in using your Gmail account or your email account. Then after doing that, you'll be redirected to the page whereby you have to give this app permission so that it can allow Cash Giraffe to track your playtime so you can get paid. Just click let's go. Then you need to give this app permission into your device. Turn it on. Then after giving this app permission into your device, you need to go back, guys. Then after you've done with all this process, you'll be redirected to their dashboard. Here you can see all the games that you can play. Usually on the weekends they double the points. After downloading this app into your mobile device, here on the dashboard you will see all the games that you need to download. When you want to download a game, guys, you need to click play, but you have to download it through this app. After that, after downloading, guys, you have to go through it using this app, guys. So let me show you how you can do this. Click download. It will direct you to Play Store where you're supposed to download this app. Okay. Click install. Wait for it to load. So after downloading this app into your device, you need to go back to the app. Now that I have downloaded the game into my device, so I have to access it using this app, or otherwise I won't be able to get this 88 points per minute. So guys, here you'll get 88 points per minute whenever you play this game. So how am I going to find this game? Go right over to this tab right over here, my apps. That's how you're gonna see all the apps that you have downloaded. If you want to play any game that you have downloaded, you access it through this app by going into this tab, my apps. Now guys, I'll play this game. I'll play this game through this app. So whenever I play this game per minute, I'll get those 88 points that they showed me when I downloaded the app. Guys, after playing this game for a few minutes, this is the number of points that I've earned. If you remember correctly, before playing this game I had 200 points. This now I'll show you the number of points that I've earned in this game. So I have earned 180 points here on this game. If you add 180 into 200, that gives us 380 points, guys. So I have earned 180 points here on this game. So guys, keep that in mind. If you download an app here, you have to play it through this app. You don't just go straight to it. So after you've accumulated enough points, here's what you need to do. You need to go to this tab right over here that says rewards. But first of all, I want to show you my recent payout. So in order for me to see that, you need to go to this wallet over here. So guys, these are the points I just received. I received 180 points right over here. This is my previous withdrawal. So if you have accumulated enough points, here's what you need to do. You need to go to this rewards tab right over here. Tap on it. So here you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal. You can click more. Here you will see PayPal, then you can click this PayPal card. Here you will see all the cash outs that you can choose from. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.